We're on Route 313 in Fountainville, PA. And we're going to head down the road to see the storm damage. Going out my driveway. This is the new development going in, Carriage Hill. You can see the erosion coming down the way there. Pretty severe. This is on Pine Run Road. You see they've had the road blocked off a little bit because the creek here is just filled way up the flood stage. And it looks like it's been a little bit higher during the night. This is the intersection of Pine Run Road and Old Dublin Pike. As you can see, the bridge is pretty well handling the water. There's some wires down in here. It looks like the power station at Penn Color is out. This is on Pine Run Road, and the road is closed off. As you can see, the road is completely flooded and submerged. And there's down by that sign, it's about 4 feet deep. This is coming up Warden Road. You can see the water coming off. The fields is fairly clear. This is on Ferry Road. Oh, fish just jumped over the hill. This is the dam. I don't know if you saw that, but this is on Ferry Road and near 313. This is Highland Hill Farm on Route 313. You see the trees down in the yard. These trees were blown over by the windstorm. Not too bad. We've suffered bigger damages on storms before. And we can see we did have some wind, some pots got blown around. And the creek here did not come up to its normal high height with a massive storm. In massive storms, this creek is known to cover almost to the bottom of this bridge. So this storm, you can see we did have a little bit more water here earlier. It was up higher, but it's still not as bad as what it could have been or was expected to be. These are some of our trees and shrubs that are ready to go out on jobs. And a little bit of erosion here in the parking lot, but nothing to say that's really devastating. Highland Hill Farm is located on Route 313 in Bucks County, Pennsylvania, about 2 miles west of Doylestown. Our street address is 5275 West Swamp Road, which is Route 313. We're open 7 a.m. to 6 p.m. 7 days a week. We have a wide selection of trees and shrubs. We have trees up to 4-inch caliper and arborvitaes up to about 14 foot tall. We can deliver and plant for you, and we can deliver all over the East Coast, and we service areas from Georgia to Tennessee, up to Detroit, Michigan, and also into Boston, New York City, Washington, D.C. corridors. So just give us a call at 215-651-8329. Again, that's 215 651-8329 for your trees and shrubs.